Morning, friends. Today we will be learning about MS Excel few formulas which are a bit regular use or known, and they are part of our corporate daily life. So I'll begin with formula one. Four formulas we'll be covering in this video, and one would be trim, where you need to trim, like you say, there are few of the spaces, extra spaces which are not required in the regular course of business. And every second fact, and every second you say data when you download from internet or some other space of SAP or Oracle, it comes like this where you need to distribute the values as per your requirement. So and we need to trim and remove extra spaces. That will be one. That will be proper. That we need to fit them into proper format. Say here you have WS in caps, D in caps, it's okay. B, Back to the Future has B in caps, 2 down, T down, and F down. So that's again not in proper format. And same with Office Space, we fix up in proper format. And then lower, if I want to make all in lower space, lower say font, and this all in upper font. So these all four formulas we will be starting with. So let's begin with trim first. That every formula which you need to start with, as I always say, would be start with is equal to trim, bracket open. What is the text we need to use? Select the text and close the bracket. Press enter and copy and paste the formula down to all the cells. So this will give you the trim value of this text, that all the extra spaces has been removed. Now I'm moving ahead with the proper version, that I need to make this text up in the proper format. That will be is equal to proper. Okay. Bracket open. So the value that you have trimmed, select that, bracket close, enter. Then fit into the text, copy, and then again paste to all the values. This say give you the Office Space and back to proper format. So there's a version where you can see you can fit proper and trim together also. There says proper, and you need plus trim together. These two formulas together also is equal to proper, bracket open, trim, bracket open, select the text, bracket close. Because we are using two formulas, you need to close the two brackets. Enter. Copy paste the formula. This will give you the same value which you get improper after trimmed values. Next, we move with lower version of all the values that are improper and trim is equal to lower, bracket open, text, bracket close, enter. So all in lower version. Copy, paste, and then we have upper version of all the values in proper trim is equal to upper in caps. Go, enter, copy and paste. So this is the 5 or say 4.5 or 5 formula video. We'll be covering few more videos coming forward. Have a good day, nice day. Thank you so much. Bless you all.